Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm back out here at the park, and I'm out here with one of my little brushless drones, y'all. I'm out here with a brushless drone that I built. This one does have the Walksnail system in here. It's the Nano, it's the Avatar Nano version 2. And so this thing is going to be on 3S this time, y'all. So it's a brushless whoop, but it does allow me to use a 3S LiPo on here. Now this thing would be 4S LiPo compatible, but this Walksnail system isn't compatible with more than 3S, so that limits this system to 3S. But still a lot of power, overpowered for this type of quad here. This is a 75mm whoop, and let's get this guy up in the air. It's on Express LRS, so plenty of range on this guy, and I think the highest it can go as far as video transmitting power is 200 milliwatts. So let's get this guy up in the air, y'all. This is gonna be my first time flying on 3S with this thing, y'all. Bug on me. Get it. Record. Record. It's saying my cells are low. Jeez. I just stayed sitting overnight. I guess I had it sitting too long. Killing this battery, y'all. Gotta give me some new batteries anyway. Scared to do some power loops and stuff, y'all. Whoops. I was trying to come back around and see what the sign said. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna kill this battery all the way. Let's bring it back. Alright, so quick little flight of this little Walksnail system that I built. A brushless whoop with Walksnail on 3S. Let me save this battery, y'all. Thanks for watching.